Welcome to the video guy, I hope you are fine. We mostly associate onions with crying our eyes out or cooking a nice meal, which is logical since we tend to use onions in our food. But did you know you can use onions for other things as well? In fact, an onion can be very effective in combating all kinds of everyday ailments. Keep watching the video to know the benefits. Number 1. Suck bacteria from the body. Medical science has established that there are over 7,000 nerves in your feet that are in contact with your entire body. That's why putting an onion in your sock can do wonder for more than just your feet. Once you have placed the onion in your sock, it will cleanse your entire body. It will suck the bacteria and germs out of your body. And because the skin on your feet is very thin, the good bacteria and chemicals are absorbed in your blood quicker. That's why the onion also cleanses your blood and all that while you are sleeping. Number 2. Treatment of cold. Apparently, putting an onion in your sock before going to bed can help you get rid of a cold much quicker. Onions will help you feel better because of their amazing healing properties. Onions are known for absorbing smells and improving air quality. By putting an onion in your sock before you go to sleep, bacteria will be absorbed by the onion and your blood will be cleansed. It is important to use organic onions that haven't been treated with chemicals. Number 3. Cleanse out the body. For this trick, it is necessary to use biological, unsprayed onions. If you don't, the damaging chemicals will make it into your blood, and that's the opposite of what you want to achieve. Dr. Lauren Feder, homeopathic doctor in Los Angeles, USA, confirms the medicinal function of onions. The trick is said to help against colds, bladder infections, earaches, and toothaches, among other things. Especially in China, the use of onions in medicine has been very popular for a long time. It's definitely worth a try. So cut an onion in half and put it in your sock against your heel before going to bed. It might be a good idea to scrub your feet a little extra in the morning. That's it guys, I hope this video will be informative for you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it, hit neighbor bell icon and choose all in pop-up. Thanks for watching.